Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with a reminder that the 5th annual Canada Day Custom Diecast Invitational, a celebration of all things Canada, is now less than a month away. It's open to absolutely everyone. All you have to do is choose a casting to customize any make or model in any scale size and do it up in red and white. Those are my flag colors. Here are this year's participants as of the posting of this update. Post your work on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram on Canada Day, July 1st. Send your glamour pics to me at MapleLeafCustoms@iCloud.com, and I'll make a recap video showcasing your work along with all the other entries. Use hashtag Canada Day Diecast25 so we can all find each other's postings. I sure hope that you'll take part, no matter what your nationality or country of residence is. Let me know in the comments if you're in. See you on July 1st.